So hello everyone, we are in Clayton County in Hampton, Georgia at our open house event, and because we do a lot of research to find out what buyer is perfect for this community and this house, we knew to call on Tim Sudduth with Synovus because he knows about a lot of stuff, but especially down payment assistance. And so Tim, you want to introduce yourself?
Yeah, absolutely. My name is Tim Sudduth. I'm with Synovus Mortgage, and thanks to Shonnie and our team for inviting me out to this open house. So I'm having a great time.
Yeah, so I have some questions for you, Tim, because it's really burning questions that buyers always have. So when it comes to down payment assistance, the programs, do they last forever? Is there an expiration date on any of these programs?
That's a good question. Absolutely, they don't. They do last. Some of them have funding that are renewed every year. So pretty much the program's been in place for years, so they do last. I get that question a lot, but they are there. They do have funds. So each down payment assistance program have different criteria. Now our job is to qualify you, see where you fit into the criteria. But they do have funding, and some more than not might run out, but then they will renew.
Okay.
They're there.
Okay, yeah, because in your mind you're like, okay, I want to take advantage of the down payment assistance, but I'm not ready right now. All right, so yes, let's talk about another burning question.
Mm-hmm.
What are some of the criteria that buyers need to think about when they're qualifying for down payment assistance? Like the top things they have to qualify for?
Like I said, each program has different criteria, but the main thing is they do have a minimum credit score.
Okay.
Some programs, throw out the Georgia Dream program, which is for all counties in Georgia. Their minimum credit score is 640.
Okay.
But they do have criteria based on what your credit score is. So, like I said, depending on the person, the individual. Like I said, everybody's different.
Yes.
Score-wise, but their minimum score is 640. Every program has a household income limit.
Okay, household income.
And that's another tricky question when it comes to borrowers because it's household. So it might be one person that's actually doing the loan, but it's household, meaning
one person, like your partner or your spouse is in the house.
So you might have scenario for you is you might be a single mom, you're the only person that's on the loan, but you have a son that works, they work part-time, they take household income. So his income counts for his household for the program. But the person on the loan is separate. So it gets kind of tricky there.
Mm-hmm. And as you see, he understands, he knows. So if you all have any questions, which I'm sure you will have questions, go ahead and get in contact with us so we can answer your questions and guide you to, doing what's best for you and your family. Do you have anything else, Tim, before we sign off?
Just like again, thanks again for allowing me to come to the open house. And like I say, it's a process, and a lot of people not gonna wake up tomorrow like I want to buy a house. So I would always advise to maybe start out plenty of time ahead, maybe 3 to 4 months. See, at least know where you are. Yeah. That's the main thing. You want to know where you are, credit score wise, income wise, and all that. But your debts and all that. So I would always say start early. It is a process, but some people might be ready now, some not be ready later. But I always say start early when you're in the process of purchasing. But that's all I have.
Absolutely. So we'll have Tim information down below so you all can contact him when you're ready, and we'll talk to you soon. Take care.
Take care. Thanks.